Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can import Woocommerce products to Excel, so let's get started. First, install and activate the plugin. Go to Plugins, then Add New and search for Product Import Exporter. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate. Next, go to the Product Import Export menu link in WordPress. By default, you'll land on the import screen. Here, you can download a sample Excel file to use as a template. After that, build your Excel file. The first row should contain labels, and each row after that represents one product. Fill in the columns with product details such as title, content, price, stock, and categories. Now, upload your Excel file and map your Excel columns to the correct product fields. Once the mapping is complete, save the settings and check your store to confirm the products are imported correctly. The plugin also makes it easy to export your products. Simply go to the Export tab, select the fields you want by checking or unchecking the boxes, and click Search. Your Excel file will be generated instantly, and you can also preview products in a table view. With Product Importer Exporter, you can quickly import and export Woocommerce products using Excel. If you need advanced features like importing product images or variable products, you can upgrade to the Pro version at extendup.com. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.